Mirimiri and romi is our traditional bodywork and healing practice.
What separates Mirimiri from massage is that Mirimiri is grounded in traditional Māori knowledge. It is grounded in the cultural insights that have been in our whenua and Aotearoa Mairaanoa for generations.
We have a lot of people that come to us in chronic pain.
We hold trauma, we hold pain at a deep cellular level. And so the body work that we do helps to release that.
We will perform a taku. It ignites something in their cellular memory, their pūmau maharatanga, and they remember who they are and where they come from.
It makes you rethink about what you can and you can't do and what your pressures are and stresses in life. Is it worth sweating the small stuff?
We actually give them permission to let go and say to them, you know what, it's okay, you don't have to carry this anymore.
But mostly accessibility to different modalities of rongoā Māori for all people.
A totally different way of full body healing, mind and soul.